This is how to learn forex trading very fast using the Forex Pill app. This will help you to learn forex trading very fast. As you can see here, this thing that I have included here are just only important things that you need to understand about forex trading. Just that, four of them: candlestick, market structure, indicators, and fundamentals. Of course, we can have exception on indicators or fundamentals. Some people think they don't have to know fundamentals. Some people think they don't have to know indicators, and some people think they don't have to know market structure. But let's start with the indicators. The reason why I kept not indicators, man, candlesticks. The reason why I've kept candlestick on first is because I think whether you are fundamentals, whatever, you need to understand these ones. Okay. So what happens? You click here on candlesticks, you just keep on pressing next, next, next while answering the questions. If you think this one it's a sell, you press a sell, and then you keep on answering the questions. You can see you just click here and then keep on pressing next. I don't advise anyone to go to the previous, because that one won't give you the real points that you deserve. So the best thing is that when you start this thing, keep on pressing next. Trust your guts, okay? So you keep on answering these things, and then at the end of the day, you will find you failed. If you have wronged one, you failed. So what does this fail means? This failed technically means that you need to learn more. Then you press on learn more, you'll find this one. If you failed fundamentals, you go and press fundamentals, you get most of the information. If you have failed technical, you just go there and find a lot of information. The very important one, actually, it's summarized information that I think you need to understand only. You don't need to know more. Okay, so I've included this pattern and things. So yeah, after all this, you are done with candlesticks. And what happens is that I will actually ask you that when you fail a certain subject, okay, you must go to the internet and learn that subject only. If you have failed candlestick subjects, go out there and learn about candlesticks as much as you can. And then when you come back to the app, if you pass, then you are okay with the subject, because I've included the most important things that you need to understand. If you don't understand, these questions are just 15 and 10. So if you have failed that one, it means you are lacking in that subject. So in that way, you understand that, okay, I'm lacking on candlesticks. Let me actually understand what candlesticks does. I have the videos on my own this YouTube channel that explains this as well. So you are either going to Google, YouTube, and just learn until you pass. After learning, if you think you're okay, come back to the app until you pass. It's possible to pass. I know some people have texted me and said, no, it's hard to pass. It's hard to pass because you are not understanding the subject deeply. And this app was made very simple. I've made this very simple for you. If you can check, the answers are here, everything is here. So if you are failing this, if you are failing candlestick, go and learn candlesticks. If you are failing market structure, simple, you can see here it's a buy, because the candlestick are going up after I've circled, and this one is a sell, buy. We know head and shoulders, everyone knows this. And if you don't know this and you're failing, you need to learn them. You can see you failed, then you must learn. Okay, everything that you fail, you must learn until you get a pass. It's possible to get a pass. I'll make a video on that, and then I'll be answering all the questions from candlestick, market structure, indicators, fundamentals. I'll give you the memo, I'll give you the answers, and I'll also give you the reasons for that. But now let's say you need to know what you don't know. If you are failing fundamentals, then you need to learn fundamentals. Whenever you Google, make sure you understand them, and then come back until you pass. Don't ever even think of uninstalling the app until you pass all these things, because you will be wasting your time being a forex trader if you don't understand this. You must pass all this before you uninstall the app. In fact, you must keep this in your phone. It's just a practical thing. You keep on doing the practicals, because what happens is that the more you know, the more you forget the basics. So these are the basics that you need to be having in your head every time. And this happens, you learn forex trading, the more you know this concept of they say, hey, market cycles, hey, what they will every day they will come with the new ways explaining things, how you must trade and stuff. Then you forget these basics, and then you keep on losing, because now you have got new things, but then you are forgetting the basics. Hey, block what all these things are the same. It's just that they are using different names and trying to explain these things in a different way, but these things are the same. And if you can understand these things and make sure that every week you come here, even if you are passing, at the end of the day, your basics must be in your head. You must understand the basic and never try to run away from the basics. Okay, I will show example here. Let's talk about let me go to fundamentals. Okay, I'm not answering the questions, I'm just trying to show you why the basics are most important, no matter what you think you know. Okay, so a lot of people, like this question here, you can see CNBC broke the news and said dollar trades flat as investors await USA job data. Okay, so here you can see that they say wait keyword in the news, a wait keyword, meaning you must wait. And my questions, my answers are simple: wait, buy or sell. You just press wait. Okay, but let's say now you know more, you know about blocks, what, then you won't even mind these things. So I'm saying to you, just keep on practicing on this app, make sure that you are passing every basics, and make sure, even if you are passing, make sure that you don't let the basics leave your head, because you will end up in some place where you don't know what you are doing. And I'll advise you to keep your data on when opening this app. Open your data bundle on to make sure that this app loads quick enough. Okay, it allows this app to load quick enough, and it won't give you problems, and you won't lose points when you are busy using it. So make sure that your data bundles are on if you can afford. Of course, if you can afford, it's offline, you can switch your data off and then enjoy while your data bundles are off. But if you can afford, make sure you put them on to make sure that everything works smoothly. Okay, I'll bring another video giving the answers for all these questions. Okay, so another thing, please subscribe on this channel. I've seen you guys are doing, and I want to thank you guys. I see almost every day I find a new subscriber, and that's why I have decided to make this video, because we are now having more subscribers than last month. So if I get more subscribers, I'll keep on making videos. But if I fail to get subscribers, what is the use of making videos? Okay, so please subscribe if you're watching this video, and I'll bring more videos. The more you click the subscription, the more I'll bring more videos. And then go and download this app. Enjoy learning forex trading very fast. Don't waste time on things that doesn't matter. Everything that matters is in this app. Everything. And it's simple. 10 questions, 15 questions. The candlestick one is the one with the 15 questions, because there's a lot with candlesticks. And then the market structure, these are the market structures that you only need to understand. The rest is just for fame and useless. So just understand all these, learn them. If you want me to put the names on this so that you can be able to google and learn them very nice, you can actually let me know so that I can put names and stuff. But now, please subscribe on this channel, download the app, let's go. Okay, you can see now here I have an app called create your own auto trading robot EA with few clicks. I'll make a video about this app also, so that you can learn. And then we have forex derivative synthetic indices contact tab. When you click here, this will will take you straight to his Facebook, so that you can text him, talk to him about those indices. You call them volatility 70, boom, crash. If you need anything, just click here and then you will get his Facebook account, so that you can, or you can just take this number, WhatsApp number, and WhatsApp him, or you can even call him, it's fine. So yeah, download the app, guys. It's simple and free of charge, just free. Okay, so yeah, thank you, guys. Just click subscribe. It's free. It's free. And the more you do that, the more I put on more videos, and the more you learn for free, and stop paying expensive mentorship programs. You can go on my channel. You will see that I'm putting a lot of things for free here, and simplified. Very simple thing, straightforward, no going back and forth. You just watch everything that you want to learn. Okay, sharp. I'll make another video about the answers, and I'll make another video about the create your own auto trading robot app. Thank you.